If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this one thing. Money never sleeps. Never. The reason why you're watching this video right now is because you're trying to figure out what can be the next big thing that's going to take off. Could this be it? If not, where is it at? You're looking for that because you need to make a lot of money to hopefully not only take care of your family for the holidays that are just days away, but also to set yourself up for the new year and possibly for the rest of your life. That's why you're here. Now, in this episode, we're going to be taking a look at a very new project that in a short time has made its earliest investors a ton of fucking money. Okay, I mean, there's no other way to put it. And that, of course, is Hyperliquid. Now, in this episode, we're going to take a detailed look at everything from the ground up, the ins and outs, everything. But before we do so, make sure you hit the like button, comment if you got something intelligent to say, share the video with someone you care about, and also for yourself, subscribe. Now, first of all, this video is brought to you by BydFi. BydFi is the fastest growing exchange on the planet today. Now, on BydFi, you're able to buy coins and tokens that you cannot get anywhere else. That's one of the biggest reasons. Number two, when you sign up for your own account using my official link, you're gonna get crypto rewards in the form of stable coins. And the more that you invest and take quizzes along with passing them, you're gonna earn even more crypto that you can use to buy even more crypto. And as you can see here, some new tokens on the right hand side. Oh, it's a lot. It's a lot. Now, if you have questions, send them to me. I'll answer them. There are over 1 million users in over 150 different countries. New section tutorial videos for beginners, how to deposit, how to withdraw, and lastly, how to trade. I forgot to mention, when you open up your own account using my official link, you're also going to save 10% on every transaction that you make. Download the app today, Apple and the Google Store. I hope you're getting ready to take notes, because here we go, gentlemen. What is Hyperliquid? It represents a cutting-edge blockchain platform specifically designed to enhance the efficiency and performance of DeFi applications. At its core, Hyperliquid introduces a novel layer, level 1 blockchain that is meticulously engineered from the ground up to optimize performance and scalability. This optimization is largely attributed to its proprietary consensus mechanism, HyperBFT, which plays a pivotal role in ensuring rapid transaction finality and robust security measures. One of the standout features of Hyperliquid is its focus on DeFi perpetual exchange services. This platform facilitates perpetual futures trading directly on its native layer 1 blockchain. Okay. This approach not only reduces the cost barrier for participants, but also significantly enhances transaction speed and efficiency. Hyperliquid's architecture boasts a fully on-chain order book, a rarity among DeFi exchanges, or DEXs as they're known, for those of you that don't know. All transactions are verifiable on a blockchain. This is just several things that are different. The development team is composed of individuals with impressive backgrounds, including alumni from prestigious institutions such as Harvard, Caltech, MIT, and professionals with experience in notable companies within the tech and financial sectors. This diverse team underscores the project's commitment to innovation and excellence. Notably, it is a self-funded initiative, emphasizing its independence and dedication to its vision without the influence of external capital, outside money. This allows for a focused development process tailored to the needs and expectations of the DeFi community generally. Take all that in. Now down at the bottom, gentlemen, you can see that it says block time, 0.2 seconds, 324,000 users, 200,000 transactions per second, daily volume of $7 billion. That is correct, $7 billion. Now as of today, Monday, December 23rd, you can see the price per token is $27.48. We're in the top left-hand corner, gentlemen. It's down a little over 5% in the last 24 hours. Directly underneath that, you can see its market cap, $7.4 billion. It is currently ranked number 24 out of over 10,000 altcoins on the market today, gentlemen. Now for a token that's not even a year old, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Let me show you something else. Also, you can see right here the maximum supply, 1 billion Hyperlink tokens. There will never be more than 1 billion of them. Now look, over the last week, it's down 2.6%. That's nothing to really be concerned with. Now look, this is getting interesting. Over the last month, up over 700% in value from the end of November until now. We're not even talking a month. Look at this. November the 28th, 29th, look. I'm in the center of the screen, gentlemen. You can see that the price per token, you go down further, it's $4.40 right there. $4.40 right there. I mean, look at this. If you bought in less than 4 weeks ago, you've earned 7x profit on your money. Had you done this, had you bought any Hyperliquid coins in the last month or so, even 3 weeks ago, you wouldn't have any holiday worries at all. Look at that. This is all time. The tokens, this is not even 90 days. This is fucking unheard of, right? When you know, you know. Look at this. And look at the daily volume. 50 plus million in a 24-hour volume. Then let's go down here at the top. You can see over 400 million daily volume. All-time high currently of $34. So if you think it's going to get anywhere near the all-time high I just reached less than 2 weeks ago, this is the perfect time to get in and get you some Hyperliquid coins, because you don't want to miss the train. But again, you have to make that decision yourself. I'm just here to showing you the facts. All right, what you do with them, that is up to you. Now, over the last 2 weeks, I've shared with you several new projects that are outperforming Bitcoin, because that's what we do here. Now, if this video has been of value to you and my channel as a whole, show your appreciation and your support in a way that makes the most difference. That is, of course, financially. And you can do so by contributing any amount of USDC or USDT stablecoins to our address in the description of this video. It helps us to grow and to continue to make life-changing content for all of you. I've done the work. I've acquired the knowledge. I've made the money. And now I'm sharing my knowledge with you. I mean, what more can you ask for? The answer, nothing. It's all right here. And it's up to you to take advantage of it. Now, that being said, go into the library. There are over 200 videos with an infinite amount of knowledge, so that you can take the next step and change the trajectory of your life and those that you love, because that's what this is about. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.